you are going to drive it with a machine, it's just two people, rest all is being taken care by the machine. Your product quality is improved. Manual errors will not happen on a machine. Once you set it, you have the consistency of the product quality is there. We actually started off in a 16 by 16 room. Today we are at a 5-acre land wherein we have an investment which has been made close to about 12 crores. And we work with defense, we work with automotive, we are into missile manufacturing. We are planning to work with all NVH applications, especially in automotive. With elastomers, we are working with the premium mining industries for their caster wheels. And we are into specialty product lines where we add value to the product. It's more of an import substitutes which we do. Basically, cast elastomers is one line where it's more of an engineered product, where a lot of properties are to be taken into consideration. Most of the people have actually come down to a very low cost-effective processes like manual mixing. An engineered product has to be designed with an engineered machine. That's where I've actually walked in with Twin, wherein it's pure engineering which has been encountered and then try to drive the product also with a better performance on the product line. That's one thing which I've always been passionate, and then which I wanted to drive as an engineer, as a chemical engineer. It's not just two chemicals which can be mixed the way you want. It has to be mixed in the engineered way. I would always suggest to go for an automation. It is better to give the performance of the product which is considered on a long run. It's not just replacing the spares. The end user also should actually look in for his downtime. It's the quality and the performance of the product on long run is going to pay for the product what you're supplying basically. We have a shortage of manpower also, wherein if you are going to drive it with a machine, it's just two people, rest all is being taken care by the machine. Overall, today, even if on a manual casting, you have about 2 to 3% of wastage, which is almost 0.2% on a machine, on a bigger casting components. Your product quality is improved. Manual errors will not happen on a machine. Once you set it, you have the consistency of the product quality is there. Yeah, the first machine which we have used to this machine, which whatever we are using currently, is a lot of engineering improvement which has come. And my product which I've been working on, the quality of the product has gone up. And a smaller one which we had, the striations, that is eliminated today. There's even in compared with the engineering part on the machine, there's a lot of improvement. The mixing head is changed. The degassing chamber situations have been, we have a degassing which is being done, and I don't have the material which is moving directly into the vacuum pump. The gases are not getting entrapped. We have a vacuum trap which has been created. It's more of a sturdy machine which is there presently with a new SS mixing head. Before it was an aluminum mixing head. The motor power has gone up. The life of the machine has been almost tremendously increased from, if I consider that on an aluminum mixing head, it's a 3-year, but on a SS mixing head, it is a lifetime. You don't have to change your mixing head, you don't have to change your seals frequently. The performance has gone up. The first machine 5 years back and the last machine of a year and a half back, the amount of improvement that Twin has done, that's what engineering is. If I actually compare with any imported machinery, I don't say that our Twin machine is anywhere less than any imported machine. We are happy. I am the happiest person.